Hello, what's up, my people? How una dey? Today, I don't carry another better update carry come. When I know as it dey be now, whenever I use any update and the team be like say you won't come make some more sense, I will come here come talk about them so that we go know if the team they okay, I be no they okay. So if you want to collect better update for my, make sure to like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel so that you go to collect plenty update for my hand. Thank you very much. Make you don't forget to comment where they watch this video from for comment section. I go really appreciate you very much. And I beg make you know say this one no be financial advice. Me, I no be financial advisor. Yeah, na my opinion and they can share. I they do review. I know they do tutorial. I know they drop tutorial for YouTube. Now my opinion and they can share. You save. You get your opinion. And in case you want to see my tutorial, make sure to join my cirrden account. Just follow me for my cirrden account. Now there they drop my tutorials. I know they drop them for YouTube. You understand? Now the platform we want to talk about today, then they call them Freebyz. But the team be say I don't use Freebyz for like 3 years plus now. And what thing they be say recently, some of my people they ask me whether the platform still makes sense. Some people they say Freebyz still they work. Some people say I don't try Some people say waiting they new, all those kind of things, too many questions. So today I won't come and make I can answer all those questions one after the other and make you also know say recently I've been come out small thing from the update. I go drop them if they allow me. I go drop them for screenshot now. Another thing we need to know is get one update where I've been calling contact about where they call Gem Gala. I still want to remind you say I've been don't come out small thing from that update again for the second time. So I could come do another video about that particular update separately. But if you want to see that video, just comment Gem Gala for comment section and I go do another video about that particular platform. Freebyz now update or platform we come account talk say if you use their platform, they do small micro tags like follow, like, and all those kind of things. Say they go they reward you. Now waiting then talk Peter say they go they give you small thing. So because of that, I can't they use their website and the thing come they work out for me very well. I've been the user and know my everything they know my. In fact, I can't even they collect small things steady from the platform, but you can't say I no can't they use them because platforms come plenty. But what thing can they be say this platform they don't bring out some new features. So Freebyz no be platform where be say you fit just can't do job alone. The platform will be say if you self-define worker to can't do all these small tasks for you if you can't hire them. Another thing about Freebyz can be say na platform be say if you get real job, if you get online skill, if you get any digital skill like video editing and the rest, if you get real job for Freebyz. Now another thing about Freebyz now can be say then get different opportunities where if you explore for Freebyz. Now like I said before, this one no be tutorial, no going to do tutorial. Now review are going to do, you understand? So you get some kind of things where I no go show for my screen. They get waiting and they call higher workers. You go see them for screen. They get waiting and they call skills. This one now where if you can set up your skills where you get in case available job there. Now another one can be safe lock. Safe lock now where be say if you put something, if you get small thing from the platform, if you put on there, just lock them for like 30 days, then they will give you small something and get jobs, so you go see how many jobs you don't do. This particular Freebyz get in pros and in cons, you understand? Now I go tell you now the pros and the cons, you understand? The first pro now can be say Freebyz it is very easy to use, very easy to understand. Another pro can be say I don't use them steady for over 3 years. You don't they work steady. Another pro now can be say if you're from Nigeria, if you use the update, if you're from any part of the world, if you use them because they get PayPal option and they get local currency option, so anybody from anywhere can actually access the platform. Another thing that can be saying and get jobs for the platform where different activities where if you do. And another thing to can be said and get their referral program where if you invite person then will give you around 1k. Before it been day 500 but now around 1k where they will give you if you invite person for the platform. Now waiting then talk now and be that. Now, what can be some of the cons of the platform, some of the things one don't like. Now, first of all, the platform will be completely free. The platform will be completely free. You could start with something before they be like 1k, but now they don't shift and go 3k from 1k to 3k. They don't shift and to 3k. You understand? Now the first thing we're not going to be happy about them that because it's not free. Another con can be say they shift them from 1k to 3k. when I make some people not come to today happy. Now another thing can be say there are jobs for the platform. They know they'll give you plenty something for the jobs where they complete, no too plenty, but at least it makes sense past some other platforms. Some other platforms now 5 naira, 7 naira, all those kind of things like that. But Freebyz, they give you around 20, 15, 20, 30 naira for some of those jobs where you go complete, you understand? If you can't refer person, the person can't do 3k, you understand? Now 1k where they go give you, they don't give you 1.5. We supposed to be 50-50 like before, but they don't change them to just 1k. But no, while and another con be that I don't like about the platform. And another thing, before for Freebyz, if you place your withdraw, you won't come on your small something, then they give you the small something instantly or in few hours. But now then they take till 5 days every Friday. So you need to wait every Friday. You understand now? So the platform done this. So now some of the changes be that. But if you ask me if the platform still they work, I go tell you say yes. So the platform still they work very fine, or everything still they okay. But now some of the things where you need to know about the platform be that. Now if they say make I give Freebyz ratings, I should rate the platform from 1 to 10. Well, I'm gonna give them 7/10. Now I give them 7/10 because number one, I don't use them for over 3 years. Number two, I don't come out something. In fact, like I've been talking before, I come out small something last week from the update. Small something, I go drop out for my screen flow now. I come out small something last week from the update. So it should say the update still they active. You understand? Some updates where they like this, they don't stop. They don't do mago. For example, platform like Hawkit, you don't they do some kind mago. You understand? Sometimes you go come on your small something, then go leave them for like 30 days before you go come they see them. If this one still they stable, means say they try well, means say they still they active. My opinion be that about Freebyz. So tell me your opinion in 2026. Tell me your opinion about Freebyz. You still they use them? Abi you know they use them, or you go like use them? Just drop your opinion for comment section. But make you know say this one no be tutorial. If you want to check out the tutorial, make you follow me for my cirrden account. Just follow me for my cirrden account. You go see the tutorial over there. I be don't do and keep there for people who want still know more inquiry about this particular update. Just check them there and tell me what you think for comment section.